at Fontainebleau's grand royal field. Emperor Napoleon, proud and strong, devout, and he rode close along. Steel caught the autumn light, war horses crushed the morning white. Once he ruled where armies throng, now he hunts the woods gone wrong.
The cages opened, rabbits stormed, 127 swarmed. They swept the field, the horses cried.
Men fell hard, the emperor sighed.
Devout drew steel, could not withstand. He stumbled close, a trembling hand. Those furry troops took victory's crown.
And Paris laughed the story down. Oh, rabbits roll like ocean waves, no army bold enough to brave. The proud once mighty, now undone, and France laughed under autumn sun. Rabbits, I'll make soup of you. Rabbits, I'll make soup of you. Oh, Devout stared wide, he turned pale. The emperor fled without his mail. The proud once mighty, now undone. Fontainebleau turned rabbits run. Rabbits, I'll make soup of you. Rabbits, I'll make soup of you.
Oh, flags fell red in setting sun. Steel hooves stilled, the fight was done.
Rabbits danced across the plain, chasing love through grass again.